Nalvina is marketed as an online clothing store offering trendy fashion pieces, attractive pricing, and a polished shopping experience. But the real question is, can you actually trust it? Now, to be fair, not every newer online clothing store is automatically fake. Some brands genuinely start small and build a reputation over time. But recent signals around Nalvina raise several concerns worth paying attention to. What it does well. The website may look professional. Modern e-commerce templates can make stores appear clean and trustworthy. The products can look attractive. Fashion photos and promotional images are designed to create a premium impression where the concerns start appearing. Very low trust signals were reported. This is the biggest issue. Independent site analysis gave Nalvina a very low trust score and flagged similarities with websites showing scam-like patterns. The website appears very new. Newly registered domains are not automatically bad, but they make long-term reliability harder to judge. Ownership details appear hidden. The domain uses privacy protection that limits visibility into who is operating the site. So, can you trust Nalvina? Short answer: proceed carefully. There is not enough evidence to immediately call it fake, but current trust signals raise enough questions that buyers should avoid treating it like a well-established fashion retailer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.